Experience driving perfection in the 2015 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced-air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a trailer hitch, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.